Today, I'm going to show you how to whitelist an IP in GoDaddy quickly and safely. This is a really useful process if your website, email, hosting account, or server access has been blocked by mistake, and you need to allow a trusted IP address back in. If you manage a website or work with hosting often, this can save you a lot of time and confusion. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and hosting guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login for the hosting account that has the IP restrictions you want to change. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your GoDaddy dashboard. From there, look for My Products and click on it. This section shows all of the services connected to your account, including domains, hosting plans, and other tools. Since we're working with a hosting level IP block, we need to go into the web hosting area. Under web hosting, find the hosting plan you want to manage and click Manage. This opens the control area for that hosting package. Depending on your account layout, GoDaddy may take you to a hosting management screen with several options. Next, click cPanel Admin. This is the control panel where you can manage many of the technical settings tied to your hosting account. cPanel is where we'll handle the IP blocking settings. Once cPanel opens, look for the Security section. Inside that area, you should see IP Blocker. Click IP Blocker to open the list of blocked IP addresses. Now you'll see any IP addresses that have been blocked on your account. If the IP you want to allow is currently on the blocked list, find it carefully. Then remove that IP from the blocked list. In most cases, this will immediately stop blocking traffic from that address. If you're whitelisting an IP because a trusted user, developer, or service needs access, double-check the address before removing it. It's always a good idea to confirm the IP is correct so you don't accidentally allow the wrong one. After you remove the IP, go back and verify that it no longer appears in the blocked list. At that point, the IP should be allowed through your GoDaddy hosting security settings. And that's it. You've now whitelisted an IP in GoDaddy by signing in, opening My Products, going into web hosting, clicking Manage, launching cPanel Admin, and removing the IP from the blocked list in IP Blocker. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.